Good morning. We are seeing some rapid changes to the weather so far this month. About a week ago, Seoul had early summer-like weather, but today is a real chilly one. In fact, upper regions will see readings in the single digits all day today, so be sure to dress warmly on your way out. Winds, however, will continue to be strong in places, and especially in parts of Gangwon-do Province, with severe tropical storm force winds expected there. So people are advised to take all precautionary measures to guard against potentially damaging winds. So the wind will make it feel colder, and even an ample amount of sunshine will not do much to warm things up. Although some parts of the country will see more bearable temperatures this afternoon, but be mindful that we could see high to very high levels of yellow dust during the day. The cooler temperature trend is expected to continue for the next 5 days, while a decent amount of sunshine will soak the capital region. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for views around the globe.